and sugar nitrate-free bacon. Butcher Box is the most affordable and convenient way to get healthy, humanely raised meat.
Just went through the stop sign. Whoa, jeez.
Cultures, and folks had a really wide variety of different reasons to study the sky.
I don't think that's an authorized U-turn.
So, I've heard people.
Ooh, his door's open. Bear, take a look at that.
Mayor Tyler did not respond to a request for comment on the story before broadcast. As of Wednesday afternoon,
Nice cutoff, truck.
4-hour limit on the Austin Marathon bi-monthly assemblies. Reporting from the WA.
Nice exit dive. Pick up.
The Beacon Cinema. I'm John.
Oh, shit. Pay attention where you're going. Really? No, that's an exit dive. Nope. Red light, run.
They're up to my knees in crap rewiring one of those motors.
Oh, jeez.
You want to hear all this, Bill? Why don't you go watch?
Why?
I think Sugarful's on tonight.
Don't, Billy. You're not supposed to be in the left lane, 'cause you're not supposed to be there. The cops might catch you. Oh no, Billy! Billy, get out of the left lane. Oh, you did it just in time, Billy. 'Cause Phil Collins will sing about you.
Acre Estate, the Spruce Bar Ranch.
Oh,
His
jeez.
entrance flanked by two massive
And then you
white
slam
stone
on your
stones.
brakes for some reason.
Here he raised
Uh-oh, you dropped something. Oh, that's a dive. Go!
That was why they went to the movies. It was all part of Carmine's rehabilitation program. He said it with a straight face,
Does
too.
not stop.
Had to admire him for that.
Shrieking, tried to set the night on fire! So they sedated him again and put him in restraints. Now he slept. His pinched little face is grave
What
in the dim
the
light as
fuck?
stopped.
Why would you go for the center
From
lane
around
when
his
you're
bed,
going
Henry
that
could hear
slow?
low snores and loud ones, grunts and
You're at
occasional
least 10
gunfire.
below.
He could hear Jimmy Donovan's breathing.
Jeez.
any of Capone's activities. But the horrendous St. Valentine's Day massacre
A
provoked
turn
the
signal
administration of
would
President
have
Truman
helped.
to pin something on the haughty Capone.
Dude, pick a lane.
There's been talk about football teams. Russell Wilson said if we had a game this week, we probably wouldn't play. Saquon Barkley, the Giants, has said
Sight. And as water geysered up, he suddenly understood what was going to happen.
Gotta get out of here!
He screamed at Al Zitner.
It's gonna backwater! Al! It's gonna backwater!
Al Zitner gave no sign that he had heard. His was the face of a sleepwalker, or perhaps
I
a
saw
man
that.
who has been deeply hypnotized.
Oh, I saw that up there. I speed right through.
Signaling his presumed dominance, Maranzano summoned Chicago's
dive.
Al Capone and mafia leaders from the rest of it.
Nope.
Not per se. What do you think?
As I understand it, for that bankruptcy, one of the reasons why they said this happened and why they had to close those 300
Douchebag. Whoa. There were two exit dives there.
So hot, you can call me Gravy Cajun. Pull up on the scene with a 36 Asian. I got your girls elevating. I'm up in Miami with a team full of Asians. Ooh, trying to hit
No, you can't do that. Oh, really? You're gonna stop in the middle of the highway? Yeah, that's a great plan. I'm sure you woke up this morning thinking, I'm gonna stop dumbly in the middle of the highway because I can't merge in the right lane for shit. That was your goal for today, probably. Good job.
Gigante circulated a warning to the
Someone changed their mind and cut off a guy.
That he would severely punish crimes. In short, the objective was to take the profits out of organized crime. In a revolutionary step toward breaking the mob's control or influence in unions,
don't you see me here?
RICO contained an antitrust provision for civil suits by the government.
That was red. Okay.
The people that I know and I follow, yes, there's really only a couple, unless you started following more people yesterday.
Really?
But it's me, Evan, and
he honked at him, really which is good. Really? Really again? Uh-oh. Exit regret.
Barbie starts vanishing from the shelves.
Nope.
As stores get wiped out, new orders start as a trickle.
Motown Philly's back again. I think those are no turn on red. Spidey senses tingling. Yep, there he goes. No turn on red. And another no turn on red. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. No trucks in the left lane. Oh no, you can't be there. Thank you for moving over.
Bottom line is that the LCN is better organized than we are, and we have to match them. Costler reasoned.
Right.
We have to go after the hierarchy. Mafia squads swung into action. Costler invited Bob Blakey to speak
Red
to the
light,
agents
run,
and refine their thinking.
Really? Red light, run.
The criminal corporation created by his father. A conspicuous theme of the novel and the movie revolves around Puzo's characterizations.
Really?
The scrupulous, well-intentioned, stationing themselves in the crash car, the block any police.
Can you get all the way into the correct lane, please?
The 3 other Colombo hoods.
Noodles with pork. I've never even heard of that. Guidon or Gidon,
I don't think that's...
G-U-I-D-O-N,
Yeah,
sliced beef and gravy over rice. That sounds tremendous. And taiyaki, a fish. When I ask for a credit card and a driver's license, people answer with why. Or even worse,
there's
what
no
is a credit
crosswalk
card?
here.
I mean, I'm trying to rent you a car over here. Even
Aren't
worse,
I
what is a
nice?
Credit card? Oh, sorry. I'm trying to rent you a car over here.
That guy is sitting on the wrong side of the road. How do you screw up that badly? Back up. What are you trying to do now?
Habits in our lives right now.
No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. If this is Connecticut, you can't be there. No trailers in the left lane. Technically, it's allowed here, but I'm pretending I'm in Connecticut because I want to sing the fucking song. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in next week where I have a new video coming out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, everybody.